if if we have a triangle ABC, and DE is parallel to BC, so by Thales theorem, if a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersect other two sides intersects other two sides other two sides other two sides in same ratio. Same ratio. Right? Ratio. So AB upon BD is equal to what? AE upon CE. Right? What is AB? AB is equal to AD plus BD. Right? This is AB. And what is AE? Oh, sorry. AC. AE plus CE. Get it? So these two sides are parallel, right? It is given you D is parallel to BC. Yes. So these two angles are same side of a parallel lines. So they are corresponding angles. So they are corresponding angles. They are equal, and this angle is common. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle ACB is equal to angle AED. They are corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. And angle A is equal to angle A is common. Right? So this is what? By a similarity triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Is it? So what do you want?
Find the ratio between DE and BC.
DN and BC. Very nice. Something is given you. We come to this. So now you can write AB upon AD is equal to what? AC upon
AB.
AC upon AE. You get that? But AB upon AD, AC
AE.
upon AE, and BC upon DE. Right? So
Area of triangle ADE represent DBC is 4:5.
okay. Area triangle ADE is what? Say 4. And area trapezium is say 5 unit. Right? So area triangle ABC is how much? Area triangle ABC is equal to 5 plus 4 becomes 9 unit. Right? So what happens? So by theorem area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADE is equal to DE upon BC whole square. We take the root over. What is the value of 9? ABC 9. So you can write here 9 upon 4 root is equal to
3.2.
no, I wrote wrong. Again, you not said me anything. You won't remind me. AB is first, right? So we will write here BC upon DE, right? So root over is cancel out. So it becomes BC upon DE. So it becomes BC is equal to ratio DE is equal to 3:2. or BC upon DE is equal to 3 by 3. What is your answer?
Ratio 3.
Huh? Okay. This is BC upon DE. If DE upon BC, then it is 2 upon 3. You get this? Then this is the first part, I hope.
Yes.
What? So this is the, basically this question is over. Right? It is having one part as such. So this is part 1 of question number 14. Should I rub? Okay. I'm going to rub. So what next you have? There is question number 14. Oh. Question number 14 we have. What is? There is a oh. Okay. There is a trapezium is like this. Like this. So it is AB, and CD. Right? So what happens? When you extend it like this, it will go. Right? This is. So it is given to you that CD is parallel to AB. CD is equal to AB. Sorry, CD is parallel to AB or AB is parallel to AB parallel to CD. There is no change in all this, right? CD parallel to AB or AB parallel to CD, thing are same. Anyway, the ratio between and AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to 2 DC, 2 CD, right? So if you want, you can write it like this: AB upon CD is equal to 2 upon 1, right? What do you have to find?
AD is 3.
AD, oh yeah.
BC is 4.
What is AD?
AD is 3.
Very nice.
BC is 4.
BC is 4. Good. This is the ratio between
Find A.
AB upon CD.
E.
AB upon CD is this, and this is, this is AE. Right? These two lines are parallel. So these are corresponding angles are equal. So in this side, what happens? In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, AB, sorry, AE upon how much? AE upon DE is equal to BE upon CE. Is it? And what do you know that? You know that AB is equal to AB upon CD is equal to 2:1. So there is 2:1. Right? So what do you have to find? Okay. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle DC, no, area triangle ABC nahi, what I'm writing, man, AC, we used to of writing that ADE, that's why it is ABE. What I did, in triangle ABE, A, B and E. In triangle ABE and ADE. Oh my God. What I wrote? ABE and CDE. Actually, this is given and we have to build the whole scene from this. So what we did, we are saying that this whole triangle is upon this, we can write. So that is AEB. So that is ABE. ABE is equal to CDE. That is CDE. Right. So this is the triangle, and now here is angle D is equal to angle A. Corresponding angle. And angle E is equal to angle E common. So by A similarity, triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE, right? And this is, we have AE, ABE is equal to CDE, right? So AE upon DE, BE upon CE, and we have AB upon CD. So area triangle ABE, area triangle ABE upon area triangle CDE, area triangle CDE is equal to, we can write AB upon CD whole square. It becomes 2 upon 1 whole square. It becomes 4 upon 1. You get it? 4 upon 1? Right? Now area trapezium ABCD is equal to area triangle ABE minus area triangle CDE, right? So it is how much? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 unit. This is 3 unit and this total is 4 unit. So what you have to find? Area triangle is CDE, right? So area triangle CDE upon area trapezium ABCD, area CD is 1. So 1 upon trapezium is 3. So we get 3. Is it? What is your answer? I do not know where I went. Area triangle AB is equal to area triangle CD. Then it is 1:3.
Yes.
1 upon 3 now. Then what do you have to find? ED. Oh my god. ED. Okay. It's a ED. This is X. This is 3. So it means AE is equal to X plus 3. Or similarly, so AO, you have AE, we have AE upon DE, AE upon DE is equal to 2 upon 1. You have 2 upon 1. AE is how much? X plus 3. Upon D is X. Upon 2 upon 1. Cross multiply. How much you get? 2x minus x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So it is also 3. Huh? So you get
Yes.
E 3 what? Centimeter?
Yes.
E is 3 centimeter. Fine. What next you want?
BE.
Okay. If you need BE, oh my god. So in the same way we will go. This is Y. So BE is, we can write BE is equal to Y plus 4. Y plus 4. So what do you write? Write BE upon CE. BE upon CE. BE is
X.
Y plus 4. And CE is
Y.
Y is equal to 2 upon 1. Right? So again you get 2y minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2y minus y. So cross multiply 2, we get 2 minus y is equal to 2 minus y is equal to 4. Right? Oh my god. Okay. So y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Right? So here you can write BE is equal to CE plus BE. CE is equal to Y plus 4. It becomes 4 plus 4. It is 8 centimeter. Right? So how much BE is?
BE is equal to CE plus BE. CE plus BC.
CE plus, oh, this is what? CE plus BC, right? This is BC. Huh? BC. CE is equal to BC. So, four. This is already given us 4. Right? It is given us 4. It is given us already BC is 4 centimeter. So BC is 4 and CE is equal to Y. So we get Y plus 4 and Y we get here. Y we are having 4. Y we are having 4. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8. So what is your answer?
8.
What 8?
8 centimeter.
Means B is,
8 centimeter.
so BE is equal to 8 centimeter. Right? And we have what? This is 1 upon 3. This is x. So you have to find d. Huh? You have to find b, e, and
ED.
d. Na? So this is x. So it means DE is equal to x is equal to 3. You get this? D is equal to 3. Right? Done. I do not know how I lost my concentration there, so I did all the things A B C, but there is triangle AEB and
DEC.
DEC, yeah, CDE, like that it can be done. From where I took, actually we are used to of taking ABC. This is actually extension of trapezium ABCD. ABCD is extended to, AD and BC is intersecting each other at E. Because of that, it is triangle AEB. Anyway.